Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you're having a very good Monday evening. And I got a question on a problem here. It was Chapter 6, Problem 6, and I'm going to send a video to you about this whole thing. And it's again more or less about using Microsoft Excel, and you'll see how easy it is in a minute. All right. Again, if anybody ever has any questions, you're free to email me. I was a little disappointed. I ran a Zoom session. Now, my Zoom didn't work too well, right? It was like real slow and it kept hanging up. But only 2 students showed up for the Zoom session. I was disappointed about that, even though it wasn't the best because of the problems with the Zoom. I was very happy they showed up. And I will take into account the extra effort they put in to show up when I do the grading. Hint, hint, hint. Okay? Anyway, all right, let's go over this problem, all right? All right, so suppose a 10-year, now that's the maturity. This is the par value. Notice $1,000 par. And here's the 8% coupon rate. Now, remember this. An 8% coupon rate is an annual rate, and when you buy this bond, the contract will say you're going to get 8% as long as you hold this bond for 10 years. You will get $80 a year, but they're going to pay you every 6 months. You see the word semi-annual? So you're going to get how much every 6 months? $40. 40 and 40 is 80, right? Now, this is what the coupon is trading, the bond is trading for. This is the price you would pay to buy this bond. The bond is trading at a premium, okay? It's trading at a premium. Why is it trading at a premium? Let's understand something. Here's the coupon rate. That means when interest rates go down, not this interest rates, new interest rates on comparable bonds, when interest rates go down, the price of this bond goes up. Okay? It's a reciprocal thing. Is everyone clear about that? And vice versa. So what they want to know is what is the bond's yield to maturity expressed as an annual percentage rate with semi-annual compounding, and if the bond's yield to maturity changes to 9%, so basically they want to know what the yield to maturity is, and they want you to change it. What will the bond's new price be? All right? So we're going to use Microsoft Excel, all right? And it's real simple. So let's do part A first. You ready? They want the yield to maturity. Now, the yield to maturity is the rate. The rate. You see this? When you go into Excel, look for the rate function. If you can't find it, get a hold of me. Email me. Say, how do I do rate in Microsoft Excel? All right? And actually, you know what? I may have it like right here. Let me look here. So let me go here. And I do function. And look, rate. You see? It's one of, and because I got that one selected already. All right? And you just pop these numbers in these boxes. All right? Again, if you have trouble, let me know. Don't be bashful. I'm here to help you. All right, so now we know the number of periods is going to be 20. Why? 10 years, and there's 2 6-month periods. What's 10 times 2? 20. Everything is in 6-month periods. Now, here's what you would pay for the bond. You see? They give you that. So far, everything is given. Now, we make that negative because that money comes out of your pocket. So this is negative. You see that up there? I hope you see that. Now, what are the payments you're getting? What did I say a couple minutes ago? Not 80, but every 6 months they're 40. And when the bond matures, it's at par value, it's at 1,000. So this is given, this is given, this is given, and this is almost given, right? You had to multiply 10 times 2. That's easy. And you click on rate, and here's what it is. Here's your 3.75 rate. That's your yield to maturity. Now, that's a 6-month yield to maturity, right? So what is it for a year? Again, you multiply by 2. Look, and it's 7.5%, okay? Now, part B. If the bond's yield to maturity changes to 9%, what will the bond's price be? So now you got to bring up the function of Microsoft Excel called present value, PV, okay? PV. So again, the number of periods don't change. The yield to maturity now is half of 9. It's 4.5, right? Remember, 6 months. The payment again is 40. This don't change. All you did was change one number. See it right there? And this is the present value, 934.96, if the rate went to 9%. Now, remember, this is 6 months, so it's a 9% yield to maturity, and it's the new price is going to be 934.96. That's it. All you had to do is pop a couple numbers into a box. I hope everyone's clear. If you're not, get a hold of me. I got nowhere to go. I'm trapped here like you are. And, what can I